From its headquarters in Miamisburg, Ohio, United Grinding North America partners with today's manufacturers to provide high-precision systems for grinding, eroding, lasering, measuring, and combination machining. When parts require perfect finishes, microscopic tolerances, and complex contours, manufacturers turn to United Grinding as their single-source supplier. The United Grinding North American headquarters represents 110,000 square feet of infrastructure, designed specifically to support our customers.
We have invested in state-of-the-art inspection equipment, training and demonstration areas, import-export specialists, and a large inventory of spare parts, all to provide you with the fastest response times and complete lifecycle solutions for all of the United Grinding brands.
As part of our North American operations, we maintain a strong presence in Mexico as well. Whether it's mass-produced automotive components or high-mix, low-volume manufacturing, United Grinding is completely dedicated to meeting our customers' needs and helping them overcome their challenges, anywhere, anytime.
Whether the job calls for cylindrical, surface and profile, or tool and cutter grinding, the United Grinding brands, Magerle, Blohm, Young, Studer, Schout, Necrosa, Walter, and Ewag, have stood the test of time with centuries of collective grinding expertise leveraged towards your success. And it doesn't stop there. We are ITAR certified and stand behind all these advanced systems with our full service and support staff, machine rebuilding and retrofitting department, and automation team. Our United brands operate under 3 technology divisions that provide turnkey solutions for a comprehensive range of grinding equipment. The Surface and Profile division handles everything from basic grinding machines to specialized custom equipment.
Our lineup of super productive and flexible machines range from production creep feed and horizontal grinding solutions to machines optimized for individual components and small batch production, all designed to offer the utmost in precision.
For a complete range of cylindrical and non-circular grinding solutions, the Cylindrical division provides machines for every kind of shop and every volume of throughput.
Whether you need external or internal, small or large parts, cylindrical or non-circular, custom or standard, we offer an extensive range of breakthrough technology and tried and true standards alike.
And for fully optimized production of high-precision small parts and tools, our Tool and Measurement division incorporates everything necessary for your success.
For watches, dental equipment, medical devices, consumer electronics, and of course cutting tools, manufacturers across the world turn to United Grinding to achieve fine surfaces on the highly precise parts that power the technology of the future.
Our partnerships with customers involve more than just providing a machine. Whether you need the convenience and simplicity of remote services from United Grinding Digital Solutions, a partner for machine training, or a qualified technician capable of making your equipment run like new, United Grinding Customer Care is there to help keep your operations up and running.
With qualified service technicians spread across the globe, as well as a comprehensive and secure remote digital maintenance solution, we easily live up to our promise to be there for our customers from installation and startup through the entire life cycle of our machines.
We also help customers boost their production output with cutting-edge technology from our Automation Solutions department, including advanced standard systems like our FlexLoad automation platform.
United Grinding is a single-source automation solutions provider. Our extensive in-house experience helps our customers achieve the highest level of productivity with the latest automation technologies, such as the development of full custom solutions for United Grinding's brands and grinding systems.
And because even the best grinding technology ages, the newly expanded Rebuild department can help you put your equipment back in service if downtime has become more frequent than production time. Our experienced technicians will restore your machines to their original specifications quickly and affordably.
All this, the technology, support, infrastructure, and expertise under one roof. World-class grinding brands, united for your success. That's the United Grinding promise.